Before you register a business in Kenya, you have to reserve a business name. Business registration in Kenya is undertaken by Business Registration Service on brs.go.ke. In order to access this service, you need to have an e-citizen account. This is an account that you use to access all government services in Kenya. Click here to create an account if you don't have an account with them yet. Once you have an e-citizen account, prepare 3 business names that you propose to register, as it will be required for such. At the end, you will pick one from the approved names. A business name is a name or title under which a person or entity conducts business. It's important to note that you have a room to submit up to 5 names for such. 3 of the names you submit are mandatory. Enter all the required information and submit for such. You'll be notified of the names that were approved, and you can proceed and register one of them. So here is a breakdown of the costs of registering a company or a business in Kenya. So the first one is registration of a business name, which costs 950 Kenya shillings, and it takes only 1 day, and you are issued with a certificate of incorporation. A limited liability partnership company costs 25,000 Kenya shillings, and you are issued with a certificate of incorporation, and it takes only 1 day. For a private limited company, the cost is 10,650 Kenya shillings, and you are issued with a certificate of incorporation, and it takes only 3 to 5 days. For a public limited company, it costs 10,650 Kenya shillings again, and you are issued with a certificate of incorporation. It takes only 3 to 5 days to have the certificate. For unlimited company, it costs 20,050 shillings, and it takes 3 to 5 days, and you are issued with a certificate of incorporation. For a company limited by guarantee, it costs 10,000 Kenya shillings, and you are issued with a certificate of incorporation, and it takes 3 days upon receipt of vetting report from NIS. The source of this information is brs.go.ke. Please refer to BRS fee schedule here for more information on registration. Once you have your business registered, you're now few steps to starting to do business in Kenya.